It's Monday morning and we're on the way to the airport for the first time in probably almost 4 months. Today we're taking all kinds of transportation. We're going to take a bus, then a train, and then ultimately a plane to fly to Porto. And I'm curious to see if anything has really changed when it comes to flying. I would assume we need a bit more buffer at the airport because there might be additional testing on both ends. But other than that, I expect it to be pretty much the same, except for, of course, everyone is wearing masks now. Lena's trying to get ahead with her steps on the Fitbit challenge. But that's easier done when you're not carrying luggage. So far, no change from any other trip, except for the masks that have become mandatory in Switzerland as of, I think, like a couple of weeks ago. Same goes for the airport and flights. I'm not sure if it's a law there or if it's just a recommendation, but of course, the more people wear masks, the less the virus is going to spread. Okay, I'm really curious to see if the airport is all empty or if there's probably people around here. Ready. It seems I haven't flown for that long. There's even airlines. There's a new airline called CH Air, and I've never heard of it, so things have changed. In terms of people, I'd say there's definitely a lot less people than usual, but it's also not like it's empty here. See quite a few planes again. When I was doing Air Force service in the last few weeks, we actually had a lot of the Swiss short-haul fleet stationed next to us or parked. So it's good to at least see the planes back at the airport, even though not all of them are flying at full capacity.
Goodbye to you, we hope that you've enjoyed your time with us.
Alright, we made it off the plane. I think the only thing that was different on this flight was that there was no food serving. They did serve beverages, and then of course wearing the mask constantly. That's probably the longest time I've gone with a mask. It was not strictly necessary, but definitely recommended. So the baggage claim area is completely empty. Alright, so now we're starting our journey to Praga. We're going to spend the next few days. So with that, have a beautiful day, stay curious, and I'll talk to you soon.
Hey, if you like this video and you would like to do me a huge favor, then please smash that like button and subscribe. That's great for the YouTube algorithm and more people will see it. It will also make sure you will get to see all the upcoming videos on essentialism and entrepreneurship. And if there's a question or topic you would like me to cover, please let me know in the comments.